So today we're going to do some belt sander racing. Is that right?
We're going to try.
We are Ricky and Denise. We sold everything in 2020 and hit the road to RV full time. We travel in our Freightliner M2 truck, pulling our DRV JX 450 full house that hauls our 2020 Harley Tri-Glide. We invite you to travel along with us as we are soaring together.
Racer ready? And the winner is lane 1, Ricky Parker, Spirit of Texas, with a speed of 20.2 miles per hour. And lane 2, 19.2 miles per hour, Kevin Agnes with Bitcoin.
Well, it's actually a NHRA program that we have in the computer that measure how fast our belt sanders can run down the drag strip. Got a stock class and we run a modified class.
Okay.
Stock class will run 1,600 feet per minute. Modified will run 8,700 feet per minute.
Oh, wow.
So by changing gearing, we can increase it quite a bit.
Okay. So I've looked at some of them that we've got out here on the table. So do people bring their own, or you race just these, or how does that work?
People from all over the country bring their own.
Bring their own. They build them, design them, make them pretty, do whatever they want to.
Yeah. We have some rules that they have to go by, a certain length, certain width. But in the stock ones, we run have to be stock right out of the box.
Oh, okay.
Modified, we can do anything to them.
Okay.
And you'll see some of these don't even look like sanders, but sandpaper, most of us use 36 grit. You can use anything you want for sandpaper.
So when of course you use that extension cord for the power when they race, so that they have to have sandpaper on them because that's what pulls it down the track.
Exactly.
Okay.
And track's 75 feet long, about a 25-foot shutdown area. There's remote controls at the start line.
So they tell me you're the official scorekeeper.
That's kind of a scary thing to be called, but yes, ma'am.
But it's all on the computer?
Yes, ma'am, it's all electronic. The computer times it, the reaction time, the race time, and it tells them who you're going to race next, all the way up to the winner, first, second, and third places. Yes, we have 3 sensors. We have a start sensor, we have a fault sensor in case you push a button too fast before it's ready to go, and then we have a finish line sensor that times it when it comes to the finish line.
Wow, this is all sophisticated.
Compared to some places, yes it is.
We're at the Legends Saloon here in Fulton, Texas.
Yes.
How long have you been racing?
This is my 5th season.
5th season.
My wife, this is her 1st season. Cancer awareness, the pink one.
She runs the cancer awareness.
And we have a lot of ladies run. And like I say, they're from all over the United States. Most of them are Winter Texans.
So were you introduced to it here in Southern Texas? Okay. Just a fun time, get together and do something and entertainment.
Yeah, we came 5 years ago and looked at each other after the first run, said, you know, that's something we can do. It's not going to break the bank.
Yeah.
We still have fun.
Something fun to do while we winter here in Texas.
Yeah. This is your start cord. And you plug this in and you tape it so it don't come apart. And it just drags it with power all the way down.
So this is a kind of a legal length of a table, or?
Yeah, we got a finish line, start and finish line. The track is 75 feet long. with a 25-foot shutdown area after you cross the finish line.
Hello, how are you this fine afternoon?
Good. So are you going to be racing today?
Yes, I'm in the driver's lounge, resting up.
Resting up, getting ready for the big run.
Getting ready for it.
I've been doing it myself for 2 years, and Len's been doing it for I think 5. That's cool. Yeah. So last year we didn't do much, COVID, but it's fun to do. I take it. It is. It's just. And then, do you live here all year round and do it? No, no. We're from Northwest Missouri. Oh wow. So we just come down for the winter months.
Oh,
Yeah. We're one
so
of the,
how many, so is this getting bigger and bigger?
Yes, it is. And this track got ruined in Harvey, so we, in 2019, got it all rebuilt. And yeah, built the bleachers and everything, so.
And the winner, lane 2, Rickey, with a speed of 19.68 and a 2.6 time. This guy had a reaction time of 0.03. And the winner, lane 1, Sue Paulo, cancer awareness, 3.8 seconds, 9.2 miles per hour. All right. Reaction time. And the winner, lane 2, David Perez and Hannah Raw Rat, 2.7 seconds. Speed limit was 220.37 miles per hour. Reaction time 0.24. Let's make some noise.
The record for the track is 75 feet long, and the record is 2.2 seconds.
That's about a good blink. So I know you change the gears and all on them. What else do you do to modify them?
There's some internal work on the motor they can do. It's mainly gearing and sandpaper. You can run any grit paper you want. Most everybody runs a 36 grit, and it does a good job. We've tried 24 grit, and it's just really too aggressive.
Yeah, you want it to get traction, but not spin, right?
Right. Yeah. Lost 4 of the original guys that started this, and they've all passed on. So the crew that's here now, we're starting fresh pretty much. We're always looking for help, volunteers.
So the belt sander racing has been around for several years.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the number 3 over there, Intimidator, they were out in Las Vegas. And I believe he took second out there. So it's been around.
In the winner, lane 2, David with Raw Rat. Lane 1, Booby Trap. Nice try, though. Are my racers ready?
Just stay behind the photo line. Okay.
And the winner was in lane 2 with Bitcoin. 19.2 miles per hour, reaction time 0.39.
Nice job, Mother.
The Olympics.
What are you doing, Ron?
Warming this thumb up. Get this arthritis moving in here for that off the line start.
Gotta push that button fast.
Gotta push it fast.
Racer ready? All right.
Yeah.
20.1 miles per hour, 0.25 second reaction time.
This track was started back in 2008, and then Harvey wiped it out 3 years ago, and it's been all rebuilt since then. Pretty much all donations from locals, private people, companies, everybody who wants to watch Sanders run.
Racers ready? Go!
Hey, way to go, Cindy!
The winner, lane 2. 0.9 seconds, speed 9.1 miles per hour. She had a reaction time of 0.18. Are the racers ready?
Yes, sir.
Cindy, way to go.
Thank you.
Okay, we got Rickey Parker gonna race again.
Racer ready? Spirit of Texas win with 2.9 seconds, 19.5 miles per hour. He had a reaction time of 0.28.
Wow.
Yay!
Are my racers ready?
Come on, so.
Let them fly.
There we go.
Nice race. Winner, lane 1 with 3.9 seconds. 9.1 miles per hour. She had a reaction time of 0.19. Lane 2, that's where she got you. Reaction time of 0.28.
Right.
Let off the button when you go across the finish line, that, you know, it could bust anything. like he did.
So you hold the button down until it hits the finish line.
Lane 2.
One of those silica gels you can probably pull out.
Ready? This is for the marbles. 1, 2. And the winner is lane 2. David, you finished in second place with Raw Rat. Ron, you finished in first place.
There's our first place winner.
It's all warming up that thumb.
All about the button.
That little girl almost got me again. Yes, ma'am.
Can you race one more time? Scott has never lost a race.
I never lost a race.
Let's go.
I never lost one.
All right.
He's raced and never lost one, so.
Well, I
You
don't know
had
which
to
one.
beat me twice and win it.
Huh?
Yeah, but I had never lost one.
Ron and
He was already put the finish line on.
Oh, Leroy.
Well, these guys are getting
So Ron has been challenged, right?
Well, he said he hadn't lost.
Ron's been challenged by someone that's never lost.
I'm a rookie here. So which one you gonna pick? Would I get 2, 1, what?
2. What I Jack, lane 1. Racers ready. And the winner, lane 2. Good job, guys.
Where are you from? Minnesota. Minnesota.
Lady from Minnesota just won the 50-50. Thank you everyone for coming out. See you in 2 weeks.
So we got Mr. Roger here, and he was our first place winner today.
I was, and I enjoyed the day, and I'm glad you all were here.
Do you do this often, that you get first place?
I got first place quite a bit.
Quite a bit?
Not always.
Not always.
Not always.
Well, you did a good job. Had a good day.
I had a good day. It turned out excellent. And a good crowd to enjoy it.
Yes. Beautiful afternoon.
Beautiful.
A little cool, but when the sun came out, it felt
The
good.
sun came out, it felt good, and it just it was a nice warm day all around.
Well, this was my first time to a race like this. So.
Yeah, well, it's a lot of folks that come their first time here.
First-timers.
Yeah, a lot of times they come and they say, well, I went to one race and that's it, but now I want to go back again.
Yeah. Well, congratulations.
Well, thank you very much.
Well, Miss Sue,
Yes.
it was a fun day.
It was a fun day.
And you did good. You finished what?
Second.
Second. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming and videotaping.
You're welcome.
Well, we run into
Great.
7.
Well, thank you again for inviting us.
You bet.
And you finished the race?
I don't know where I finished.
You don't know where you finished.
She gave me some money.
But Sue whips up on you, doesn't she? She got second.
Yep.
Yep.
You gotta, I don't like sleeping on the couch, so I let her win.
You let her, oh, okay. Ricky.
Huh?
He said he didn't like sleeping on the couch, so he lets Miss Sue win.
What a guy, huh?
Yeah, you're a smart man.
After 52 years, you learn.
And I guess this wraps it up at the track.
That's right.
It was
been a nice
fun.
day. Yes, it has.
And you did good. Racing your rental Sander.
Yeah.
Yep.
Lynn's got some nice rides. You know, it's, of course, I'll be honest with you, I just laughed about it when I first heard about it. Ron told me about it. And he was all excited about going. And we actually went to, on Port A. And it was 5th Saturday, so they weren't doing it. But then, as Denise has probably told you, we run into Lynn and Sue, and they invited us to come up. But, you know, being obviously a very newbie, didn't know anything about it. Lynn told us a little about what, you know, to do. But standing up there and holding the button, waiting for the Christmas tree to come down, I mean, the adrenaline is just running up in you. And, you know, I don't know that you ever get comfortable just standing there. You probably get more used to it. After the 3rd, 4th round, I wasn't quite as nervous as I was the 1st round. But it's just unbelievable to me how much goes into this getting done with all the electronics and the sensors and how they can know your delay time and pushing the button and all that kind of stuff. It's just, you know, and watching it go down the track at, what, 2-point-something seconds for 75 feet, it's for the modified, it's just crazy. But I told Denise if I was, you know, going to stay around here a little bit longer, I'd be over talking with Lynn and I'd be building one because it was very enjoyable, you know, and a lot of fun. Met some more folks, obviously. And, I mean, who don't like a good, you know, some competition? Of course, you know, you don't want to lose, but, hey, that's just part of life. But I want to thank Lynn and Sue for inviting us, and you know, it was just a good afternoon of people getting together and watching these belt sanders run down a wooden track. It's, if you hadn't seen it, you know, and you like racing, especially in this area, it'd be good for you to go by and you know, nothing else, check it out. You might like it, you might not like it, but like I say, it got a hold to me, and I think that, well, I know that we'd be trying to put, even if we, that you know, you got the stock model, which obviously is how you buy it. Then they have a modified class, and you know, my understanding, you can do pretty much anything to them. You can go in and work on the motor, and you know, the biggest part of it's a gear drive. And, you know, choosing the right sandpaper. According to Lynn, 24 grit was 2 course. I think he said he used like 36. But, you know, those are all kinds of things that you play with and practice, and just like anything else. But certainly had a good time, and very thankful that we had the opportunity to run a race.
Well, thank you again for viewing our channel and for watching today's video. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And just to let you know that we don't get bored in this life. And there are so many things to do. Again, Ricky and I attend a church here. We're involved in pickleball. And there's just so many things to keep you active, even in your senior years. So get out there and enjoy life. And don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out as Ricky and I are soaring together.